ASE's mission is to improve the quality of automotive service and repair through the testing and certification of professionals. We serve automotive professionals, the businesses that employ them, and the consumers that depend on them. There are tremendous opportunities for young technicians entering the automotive industry. An individual's level of success is largely dependent upon their commitment, as reflected through an ASE certification. ASE test questions are written by individuals representing the entire industry. They are written based upon what you should know to do the job. Add in the experience requirement, and you have a nationally recognized credential.